So, is the viral Celimax Retinol Shot actually real, or is it fake hype in 2026? Because honestly, this product exploded all over TikTok, YouTube, and skincare communities recently. And a lot of people are asking the same question: does it actually work? Or is this just another overhyped skincare trend? So in this video, I'm going to break down what the Celimax Retinol Shot really is, what people are saying about it, the good, the bad, and whether it's actually worth trying in 2026 first. What is the Celimax Retinol Shot? It's a Korean skincare retinol serum designed to help with fine lines, skin texture, pores, and overall skin smoothness. Some versions also use retinol instead of standard retinol, which is considered stronger and faster-acting than traditional retinol formulas. Now, honestly, one reason this product became so popular is because many users say it gives noticeable skin texture improvements after a few weeks of consistent use. A lot of reviews mention smoother skin, smaller-looking pores, and softer fine lines, especially after about 4 to 6 weeks. Now let's talk about the formula. Because this is where things get interesting. The product includes ingredients like retinol or retinol niacinamide panthenol, and peptides depending on the version. And honestly, those are all ingredients commonly used in real anti-aging skincare products. So, no, the formula itself is not fake science. Retinoids are actually some of the most researched skincare ingredients for improving texture and signs of aging. Now, here's the important part. Does it work for everyone? Honestly, no skincare product works perfectly for everybody. Some people online say they saw visible improvements pretty quickly, while others say they experienced irritation, purging, or almost no results at all. And honestly, that's very normal with retinol products, because skin reacts differently depending on skin sensitivity, routine, consistency, and retinoid experience. Now, let's talk about the fake concerns, because this is where many people get confused. There are reports online about counterfeit versions being sold on some marketplaces, especially from random third-party sellers. Some users specifically warned about fake versions with suspicious packaging or missing branding. So honestly, the biggest issue may not be the real product itself, but fake copies being sold online. Now, another important thing: this is not a beginner-friendly miracle product for everyone. Some users mention dryness, flaking, stinging, or irritation during the first few weeks, especially if your skin is sensitive or if you are completely new to retinol. That's why many skincare users recommend starting slowly, like only using it a few nights per week at first. Now, another thing people forget: you absolutely need sunscreen when using retinol products, because retinoids can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight. And honestly, a lot of people damage their skin simply by ignoring SPF while using active ingredients. Now let's be honest for a second. The Celimax Retinol Shot is probably not fake, but it's also not some magical overnight skincare hack either. Most realistic reviews say the product works best with patience, consistency, and a proper skincare routine. And honestly, that's how most real skincare works. Now, another important thing: if you decide to buy it, try getting it from trusted sellers only, because fake skincare products have become a serious problem online, especially with viral Korean skincare brands. So to wrap this up, the Celimax Retinol Shot does appear to be a real skincare product with legitimate retinoid ingredients. And many users genuinely report smoother skin, better texture, and smaller-looking pores after consistent use. But honestly, results vary from person to person, and fake versions online are creating confusion for many buyers. So if you decide to try it, start slowly, use sunscreen, buy from trusted sellers, and do not expect instant overnight results.